I love this traditional southern shrimp pasta recipe. I always make it with large shrimp and smoked sausage. I do like to use andouille sausage if I can, but I can't always get hold of it. I do find that smoked Polish kielbassa works just as well. From New Orleans to Warsaw, obviously. I recently had some company over for dinner, and this creamy pasta was a huge hit. It's so vibrant with flavour and ready in less than 45 minutes. Serve with some crusty bread. Double carbs, I know, but worth it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Our first job is to clean the shrimp and get rid of its digestive tract. We really don't want to eat what the shrimp's been eating, do we? I've done mine already. Now we can season the shrimp with the oregano, salt and pepper, and 2 heaping teaspoons of our Cajun spice mix. I've put the recipe for this down below. It's just a case of mixing the seasonings and the spices together, so I won't bore you with a video clip. Give the shrimp a good toss in the mix and put to one side for 30 minutes or so while we prep the veggies. Heat the oil in a large pan and add the shrimp, laying them down in one layer so they fry evenly. After a couple of minutes, flip them and fry for a minute or so on the other side, so they're cooked but not overcooked and rubbery. Remove them to a plate. Add the smoked sausage, again making sure they're in one layer. And flip them after 1 minute. Place them aside with the shrimp, leaving the lovely paprika-y juices behind. Now it's time for the chopped veggies. Add these to the residual oil in the pan and feel free to add a little more oil if you think it needs it. Fry these gently to soften them, probably for 5 minutes. Add the garlic. I'm using minced garlic, but chopped cloves are great too. And a couple more heaped teaspoons of our Cajun mix. Fry for a couple of minutes to bloom the spices and cook the garlic through. Also, now's a good time to get your pasta on. Time to add the liquids, the chopped tomatoes and the stock. And bringing up the rear, the cream. Give them a good mix to combine the flavours. Let's add the cheeses. I'm adding a handful of mozzarella just to help thicken the sauce. It doesn't add any flavour, that's the Parmesan's job. Combine them and let the sauce bubble away to reduce and thicken a little bit. Time to finish off the dish, so let's add the drained pasta. And then the sausage. This makes sure the shrimp doesn't overcook and give the pasta a good mix. And finally, we can add the shrimp, just for the last minute or so to warm through. Now everything looks better with a little bit of green, so sprinkle some chopped parsley on top, it makes it look really pretty. And a squeeze of lemon and we're done. This Cajun seasoning is so versatile. Do use it in other dishes, it goes great with chicken. Hey, and don't waste any of that garnish. You can use up some lemon in your post-cooking vodka and coke. Well, I hope you liked this video. Yes? So why not click that infernal like button and comment on what you'd like to use this seasoning for. Also, subscribing means you get the whole back catalogue of tasty recipes and you see what's coming up next. Come on, you know it makes sense. So until next time, bye!